This is his Lordship, a brand new series called 180 Seconds. This is 180 seconds of your whole life. So now, the update is someone is being drugged up and down, in and out, down in the train station, through the tunnel, back up to the streets, to the nearby park of these U2 streets. Jazzy G. And I think Nature Boy Baby might be deaf. Don't get me to quote that, but I do see her doing sign language. And don't tease your child while live. It's the
In
word
other
for
news,
today.
Cagney and Lacey still have beef. 10 Speed and Brown Shoes still have beef. And Abe Bagoda has returned from the dead. Man, I tell you, these YouTube streets are short and these stories are long, and I only have 180 seconds to talk about it. You do the math, and since I do not get any AdSense and my channel is not monetized, I don't have to have a long show. When you have these things in place, your show have to be at least 10 minutes long. But I don't have to worry about those things because I am sponsored by the public. So, yes, his lordship has been on a tear, relentless. I just want you to know for the record that his lordship is officially the boogeyman. I am Candyman's cousin, and if you say my name more than once, most likely I will appear. And that's my cue to sign out. Thank you for tuning in, and now enjoy the series 180 seconds. To be continued, thank you very much. Please comment, hit the like button, and thank you.
We're not against rap. We're not against rappers. But we are against those thugs.